Benelia,
Let it slide.
yeah,
Hood Rich on the track.
Hood Rich, and it's for all my dope girls all over the
Dope
world.
boy.
I'm a hustler, yeah, I'm a baller. Fuck her one time, man, I don't ever call her. All about a dollar, got these bitches by the collar. Ass like a donkey, brain like a scholar. Pooh, you gotta be something special for me to holler. Gotta be a professional, tell me, do you swallow? I'ma lead the way, baby, you just gotta follow. Don't you wanna stack your dough a little bit taller? We can tear them all up, you hotter than lava. If it ain't a dope girl, I don't even bother. Where you at in life, baby, I can take you farther. She calling me daddy and I ain't even a father. Let me upgrade you, take you out that charger. Spend time with you, baby, I won't even charge her. Got a nigga brain spinning like a revolver. And I got that Britney, that Becky, that Barbara. Cause you know I'm a dope boy, can't you see? You ain't never met another nigga like me. Hit the club, we don't need ID. Everywhere I go, everybody know me. I'm a dope boy, can't you see? Hold my gun, you can hide my D. I'm a dope boy, and all I need in this world, maybe you could be my dope girl. Yeah, I'm on that block shit, knots in my pocket. Anything I see, if I want it, I'ma cop it. I ain't getting money, y'all, my, you need to stop it. I'm smoking on some shit that got me high in a rocket. Got the same gear, but it look fly when I rock it. Shorty do a little 1-2, I don't knock it. I love how you drop it, lock it and pop it. Give me that vanilla caramel and that chocolate. Fly it in the plane, want you hop in my cockpit. Let me see your tongue, stick it out like a rock chick. Where you wanna go, I can take you to the tropics. If it ain't about no money, what's the topic? Big dollar signs, all I see in my optics. Been trapping all week, and I'm trying to get my cock licked. I ain't with the gossip, why they all on my dick? Jump on my bike, baby, you could be my sidekick. Cause you know I'm a dope boy, can't you see? You ain't never met another nigga like me. Hit the club, we don't need ID. Everywhere I go, everybody know me. I'm a dope boy, can't you see? Hold my gun, you can hide my D. I'm a dope boy, and all I need in this world, maybe you could be my dope girl. Yeah. Ain't tryna leave the world, that's why I keep it heated, girl. If you ain't heard me, I be dirty, that's why I need it, girl. That can keep it thorough. I see, you keep it gangster for your nigga, just like that. I see, I be a G until I D-I-E. I mean, I B, but my B, I need a V.I. for my me when I ain't free. And she need hot and money because she be by when I read. And we be high off that E.I. when we out, we VIP. And we do it B.I.G. cause I remember we was poor. Now I got 100 pair of kicks that I ain't even wore. And ain't shit I can't afford, so if you see it, then it's yours. And you shine just like my diamonds, baby, I don't see a flaw. And I'm reading off of raw, every day at GMR. Now my CD in the store, yeah, you might see me on tour. We the best of both worlds, you know that you dope, girl. I'm a dope boy, baby, all I need's a dope girl. You know, I'm a dope boy, can't you see? You ain't never met another nigga like me. Hit the club, we don't need ID. Everywhere I go, everybody know me. I'm a dope boy, can't you see?